the letter C. Can you say C?
That's fun! Cake!
Look at the clouds, the cup, and the cow. We know the letter C right